Okay guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are going to review the 1MORE Piston Fit. So if you haven't seen the unboxing video to know what's exactly in the box and what to expect, you can go ahead and click the link in the description or the eye that appears on the top right now. And if you want to buy, you can buy it through the link in the description for all the colors. Also let me know if you are quite confused between these and some other earphones, so I can make a comparison video and help you guys on that part. Okay, so without any further notices, let's get into the video. Okay, so a very small introduction about the earphones itself before we get with the review. So they are called 1MORE Piston Fits, and they are retailing for around $999, but you can get them somewhere around $850 to $700. You get 1 year warranty with the earphones. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the design of the earphones. The type of cable that we have on the earphone is rounded and not braided or something. It's going to give you the normal protection. Although when you press the cable, you can see that it has quite some space inside, so I don't know if that's an advantage or not, but you can feel it if you press it. They have the inline controls, nothing besides a play pause button and a button that I guess you can use to pick up the calls, and the microphone on the other end. Then we have the 1MORE branding where two cables meet, and at the end we have a gold plated 90 degrees 3.5mm jack. The earphone heads are made up of aluminium, and they have a little bit plastic inside and a rubber tip. You get adjustable rubber tips. You can see the unboxing video to see all of those, and it has the 1MORE branding on the back. Now let's talk about the sound quality on these. So with my experience, I think they sound pretty good for $999, and they are very crisp, clear in terms of vocals. And I've seen some videos on these earphones and they complain that they don't have bass, but I don't think they lack bass. They're quite balanced earphones, so nothing like too extreme. They don't push anything at extreme, like some earphones push the treble to an extreme and some do that with the bass. So that's why some earphones will have more bass and some earphones will have less bass and more treble. But in this earphone, it's quite balanced throughout. The mid tones are pretty good. The bass might sound a little less, like 20% less compared to other earphones, but that's quite balanced. And they have a 45 degrees angle, so they fit pretty good, and the isolation on this is pretty good. You cannot hear anything outside when you have these in your ears. Let's test the mic quality on this one. Okay guys, so this is me recording the audio directly from the microphone on the earphones. So right now the fan in my room is off. I'm just going to turn it on and see if we can get that in the audio. Okay, so I can say that with the fan on, it definitely picks up the sound of the fan, but you can remove that sound in Audacity or some editing software like that. Here are my quiet views about the earphone. So first of all, they are quite comfortable. The 45-degree angle on the earphone heads is pretty comfortable, and I could wear them for a long hour. I almost watched a whole movie on this. 3.5mm jack fitted my Note 5, my iPhone 6s pretty good, but when I tried to use this with my friend's Moto G, he had to make some adjustments and then it was quite working, but right away it didn't work, so I don't know what's up with that. I would highly recommend these earphones to someone who is into rap music, because the vocals on these earphones are crazy. They're quite clear, very crystal clear. If you could enjoy the balanced bass for Bollywood music and all type of music, I would definitely recommend this. If you're into jazz music, these are pretty good. I listen to jazz music all the time and they work quite well with most of the songs. And I guess that's it for this video. You can check my unboxing video right now for the end screen, and you can go in the description if you want to check the product on Amazon or something. I guess that's it. Bye.